We love being on the water and we love cruising. We cruise with friends, with family, and just on our own. It's relaxing and it's fun. However, there is one thing that's really uncomfortable about cruising. We found that climbing on the boat deck or bow to deploy the fenders is a major annoyance, and it's a significant risk. It is especially risky when the deck is wet and slippery. To allow hassle-free cruising, we developed a unique product that deploys boat fenders fully automatically. There is no longer a need to climb on the deck or bow while docking. It will automatically deploy the fenders when the boat begins to slow down, approaching the shore. The Automatic Fender can remember docking locations and decisions, including the fender height from the water for each location. It will adjust the rope length accordingly. Simply magic! Deployment areas can be marked before cruising, and in such cases, the Automatic Fender will deploy only in the marked areas. The Automatic Fender supports rafting and tethering, allowing boat-to-boat tying. Installing an Automatic Fender takes only 15 minutes, and it only requires the tightening of 6 bolts. No drilling and no electrical connection to the boat is needed. You can always control the Automatic Fender manually from any location on the boat. While docking on fixed docks, it will automatically adjust fender height based on the tide level. Climbing on the deck is an even bigger annoyance when departing, as at this stage we may have had a few drinks, and climbing on the deck is the last thing we need to do. The Automatic Fender is built only from polycarbonate ABS parts, which are all manufactured in high-pressure metal molds. And only with such molds can one achieve a product that blends beautifully with the boat. It is delivered with a personalized username and password to prevent unauthorized operation and to deter theft. The Automatic Fender will automatically lift the fenders while accelerating. It is a beautiful design that perfectly blends with the boat. It is manufactured from UV-protected polycarbonate ABS material for best durability and strength. It was made possible by developing 20 unique high-pressure metal injection molds that provide the required strength, durability, and beauty. It is a high-end product We hope that you will enjoy your automatic fenders as much as we enjoy ours. The Automatic Fender is designed and manufactured in Silicon Valley, California by boaters for boaters. Please visit our website for a lab tour.